Hi guys, it's Wes from 20 Starters. Today I'm gonna show you how to change language in OBS Studio. So guys, here I'm going to show you the very easy process to change language in OBS Studio. So let's get started. So guys, to change language in OBS Studio, you have to simply open OBS Studio. So to open, simply type in search word OBS Studio. So here it is, so simply click on it. So guys, here you can see our OBS Studio. So to change language, here you can see the option of settings. So simply click on settings. So guys, here you can see some option: general, stream, output, audio, video, hotkey, accessibility, advanced. Here we need the option general. So simply click on general. So here we need the option language. So in language you can see currently it is selected as English. So click on it. Here you can see many language. For example, I'm going to select this language. Now close this. And here you can see return you have unsaved changes. So save changes. So here you can see three options: yes, no, or cancel. So simply click on yes. Now here you can see written OBS Studio needs to be restarted. Do you want to restart now? Click on yes. So guys, here you can see now the OBS language is changed. So to change the language again, click on this option, the fifth option. So simply click on it. Here you can see the first option. So this is the language option. So click on it. Now this time I'm going to select this language. Now again close this. So guys, there you can see again the language is changed. So you can also change language in OBS Studio by following this process that I have shown you step by step. I hope this information was helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.